Would you rather become the 6'7" kid or become the funk god? Would you rather be that tough pigeon doctor or be the tough AI baby?
City boy, city boy, city boy, city boy, city boy, city boy, city boy.
Would you rather
city boy,
have tung tung
city
tung
boy,
sahur bat or
city
wear
boy,
ballerina
city boy,
cappuccino dress?
City boy, city boy.
Would you rather drink a speed potion or be friends with tung 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 sahur? Would you rather have one brain rot beggar or 3 brain rot beggars? Would you rather be extremely thin or be very large? Would you rather be extremely thin or be very large? Would you rather have low cortisol or have a huge crash out? Would you rather marry frigo camelo or marry ballerina cappuccina?
We are gathered here today to witness and behold the marriage between the player and Frigo Camelo. Frigo Camelo, do you take the player to marry you?
Yes, I do.
And player, do you take Frigo Camelo to marry you?
Yes, I do.
I now pronounce you to marry.
Would you rather get frame mogged by a frat leader or drink cappuccino assassino? Would you rather complete a tower or bounce like Gangsta Fatera?